Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming eligibility and gathering documents because missing papers stop you instantly. Bring one government ID, proof of address, and one passport-style photo. Make digital copies too. Once you have those, complete the application form either online or on-site. This saves time and reduces errors. Pay the application fee at the counter or online. Keep the receipt. If a vision or basic medical check is required, get that done immediately so you can move to booking the next step. You now submit your completed application and book the written test because timing matters for available slots. Upload clear scans of documents and double-check name spellings and birth date. Small mistakes delay processing. Once submitted, reserve a written test appointment and request a learner permit issuance slot if offered. While waiting, study the driving handbook and take online practice tests. This improves pass rates. Bring printed confirmations to your appointment and arrive early to handle any last-minute admin. You finish by taking the written exam and, on passing, receiving your learner permit. Read the permit restrictions and expiry so you comply. If your jurisdiction requires driver's education or logged supervised hours, start those immediately and keep organized records. Instructors will check them before practical testing. Finally, if something goes wrong, missing documents, a failed test, or data mismatch, don't panic. Reschedule promptly, correct the specific issue, and carry updated proofs to avoid repeated delays. Make sure to track deadlines and follow up reminders.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.